Bye. Hello everybody and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So as you can see, I'm not quite finished with my makeup. I have a bit of a ongoing moment on my eyes that I need to spice up, and I realized I actually bought a Kyliner from Kylie Cosmetics, and this is the shade Black Shimmer 009 Black Shimmer. And I was like, it was the best timing to actually do a review separately to anything. I actually bought also this blush from her, which is the Winter's Kissed. Winter Kissed? I don't think it's Winter's Kissed. Anyway, so it's like the famous, oh my god, this is her favorite blush. So we reviewed that as well on this channel. It's gonna come, or it's already up, check that out. But because she had like a £5 voucher that could only be used if I bought this, or no, actually it wasn't, you were not able to use it on the blush. So I was like, I'm not gonna pay £6 for the transport. I would rather just use the code and buy something else extra. So I bought this liner because I don't know, I'm not necessarily impressed that much with Kylie Cosmetics. Overall, I think the limited edition stuff is really good, but you can't have them in the UK apparently, not for the moment being. But yeah, the blush and the liner, they were like the only things that I was like, let's try it. So I want to check out how much it was. I don't remember if it was £8 or 10. I really don't remember. So I'm gonna go through my emails, or I'm just gonna Google it, it's easier now. So this liner is £14 without the code, obviously. So we'll see if it's any good, because I expect a lot for a £14 eyeliner, not gonna lie. So yeah, I'm gonna open it. And this is how the packaging looks like. Bye. And this is how the eyeliner looks like. I'm not gonna lie, it looks really nice, bougie, expensive, like that's a lovely sound. So this is how the tip, felt tip, whatever you want to name it. Oh, my ring is the other way around. Yeah, this is the actual liner, and I'm not quite sure if you can see, but it has glitter specks into it. Right, so what I'm gonna do now is actually thinking about trying to make a reverse eyeliner. Let's go. Whoops, I did it. So we're gonna do it. So what I'm gonna do is, wow, this is actually really buttery. Nice. Am I gonna regret this? We'll find out, but this is creamy. This is really creamy. So I'm taking a brush. Now I'm gonna try to smudge the heck out of it. But I don't see that much glitter into it. It's a bit too creamy for me. And it's not like black, it's like, do you see it's kind of like muddy? Is it just in my head? Yeah, I don't like it. I don't like it. What the hell is that? It's just like, it looks black, it looks blue. It doesn't look black, it looks blue. Yeah, I don't know. And the glitter doesn't show up as nicely as I wished it will. Yeah, I mean, when you swatch it, it looks really nice. And it's really creamy, but I feel it's way too creamy. I'm gonna reapply it. Okay, now it's better. I feel when I smudged it, it did really, ugh. Yeah, I don't like it. It's so creamy to a point where I find I'm a bit in a struggle. Sorry, I'm trying to put it to not fall. I feel I'm in a bit of a struggle to actually maneuver it because it's so creamy to a point where I'm like, yeah, I don't know. It turns blue. I feel like, am I crazy? No, it turns gray. No, I don't like it. Do you see? It's just not like black. Let me. I'm gonna go into actual light. It's blue. I swear to God, it's blue. So I went to actual daylight and it's blue. It's blue. It says black. It says black. No, I don't like this. This was so expensive. Ugh, no. Okay, let's try it in my waterline. Maybe it's good for that. Okay. Is this only for the waterline? Because on the waterline it looks sick. Does it? Glide along eyelid. Do not apply on the waterline. I just did that. I just did that! I'm sorry! Am I still not supposed to apply it on the waterline because it has glitter into it? I mean, I did it. So yeah, you should have written bigger. Yeah, right. So on the waterline it seems alright, but you're not supposed to apply it to the waterline, so it's quite pointless. So what I'm gonna do is try to attempt to save. And I'm gonna be right back with some final thoughts, but so far I don't think I'm gonna give it a thumbs up, but let's see. I think you can tell it's quite late because I turned on some of the lighting in the room, but it took a while until I finessed until I finished my makeup, and I'm giving you my feedback on the Kylie Kyliner. Seriously, this is a waste of money. I really don't like it. In terms of like, it's not even black. It transfers, so it's not even transfer proof, at least to be like it. Does it say it's waterproof or something? No, it doesn't say, but it's not transfer proof. As you can see, even I did set it with eyeshadow, and it's still transferring. I did notice that with the one from Estee Lauder, the one I really enjoy, but at least that one is black. So I mean, I can get away like over the fact that it transfers. At least it's black, and I can manage the transfer with a powder, which I'm gonna do right now because this is a bit, yeah. This powder from Infallible L'Oreal, the one that was trending on TikTok, is really good for this. When something transfers underneath your eye area, it has coverage, so it allows you to cover it really. But yeah, for 14 pounds to have this happening, no thank you. Like, that's expensive. So do I recommend this eyeliner? For sure not. It's too expensive. It's not necessarily a bad eyeliner, but I mean, it is a bad eyeliner. I'm sorry. Okay, I'm trying to be positive, but I can't. It's not good. The shimmer was not there that much. Like, yeah, when you swatch it, it looks nice, but when you put it on underneath your eye, it does not look shimmery. And I actually had shimmery eyeliners before that actually looked shimmery. It doesn't even do that. So it's way too creamy, way too transferable. I just know it wasn't something that I would ever spend my money on, ever. Like I said, I might see a potential into waterline, but that's it. That's literally it. So maybe stick to the matte ones if you really want to try her eyeliners, but I feel you can pretty much get the same thing from other brands. I think Estee Lauder has it more expensive, so thinking about it that way, it's better maybe to go for the Kylie one, but just like the plain black, not the shimmery one. It was just a huge disappointment. The shimmer is not quite there. So yeah, I hope by any means this video was useful and relevant and you find it helpful. Let me know in the comments down below if you enjoyed this clip, if it was useful, or just like if you want me to review other bits as well that I would, yeah, that you could actually do that. So yeah, I'll hopefully see you within the next one. Bye!